My name is John AHLRICHS, Vice President for Business Development for Planet. We are a satellite content company, and so among the things that Planet does is we design, develop satellites that provide remote sensing information, remote sensing content to governments, to commercial organizations, to people around the world. What we've done that's really unique is we've used very agile aerospace methods to develop whole constellations of small satellites like these that now, since we've launched them, have the ability to image the entire world almost every day at 3-meter resolution. And this becomes very important because now everything that's going on in the world is visible, it's actionable, and the information is very accessible to everybody. And our goal is to make all of this information available to people that need to make better, faster, more complete decisions. It's about decision making. And so what we do today is primarily provide the content, and then we work with governments who have great image analysts, information analysts, that and commercial organizations that turn this into information products for decision making. We're moving very quickly to put all of this online so that people can have all the data online to do it. But it allows them very quickly to develop their own processes, their own information services. They can count anything they want, they can measure anything they want, and develop services for people that don't even want to look at the imagery. They just want answers. And that's where we're going, and that's where the world is going with these types of services. So how do people use this information? A civil government, the Ministry of Planning, may use it to look once a week or once a month to see where cities are expanding to out of their control. And they will use this then maybe to run out there quickly and make sure everybody has a permit. Or they will realize where it's going, and they will go and make sure that there are services out there like roads and water. And so they'll use it for that decision making. The same imagery can be used by by Ministry of Agriculture or Commercial Agriculture to look at the use of water. Is water being used efficiently? How much water is being used? Farm production practices, estimating production, what crops are being grown, and what the potential production is. All of that is possible. Militaries, as you can imagine, use imagery like this and from our other satellites that are even higher resolution, and they will use this to watch areas for threats and for changes that might be threats to their country. This is part of what they use it for. Ministry of Environment uses it to watch where trees disappear and where grasslands change, because tree disappearance is one of the factors that is affecting our environment and loss of our environment. All of these types of things are being analyzed from imagery, from our imagery, and with daily coverage, like what we provide, you get very reliable, consistent imagery sources that are there through clouds, through the clearness, through the clear skies. You can see. Whoops, made a mistake on that one. We do not image through clouds. You cannot image through clouds. But on a clear day, you get good coverage and good imagery that you can use for decision making and change detection. And that's what our world is about. Thanks.